Alright, what is up traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Going over a loss taken today, or actually two, but one was basically break even. Um, the title is two back-to-back losing days, which is not the case because yesterday was a break even day, but I've put it just for clickbait reasons because people like to see you fail, so I'll get more views hopefully. But anyway, I'm going to be going over quickly these setups. Today and yesterday was just dog shit price action. Yesterday was break even. Today, one break even and a loss. So bias was short, especially after this buy side sweep. We had SMT's second macro, and we have an impulse lower right here with a fair value gap that got created right there. So this was basically a breakaway gap. I treated it as such, and you can see I'm barely risking anything because price action is just dog shit. So treating this as a breakaway gap, and there's a lot of trailing sell side that you can see definitely was present, but price action was just not it today. So you can see all this price action, all this sell side, and also London's low of today is the same London low as yesterday, like literally to the tick. So my draw was very strong to the downside. And we can see here that this just didn't pan out. Here I believe this is where I mitigate risk, and yeah, so basically break even right there, and I get stopped out right there. Alright, so that was the first trade. Second trade was the main loss of the day, which is, if I can get out of this, it's this trade, which same idea. We come down, we impulse lower. After I got stopped out around here, or no, here, sorry. Yeah, so I trailed my stop loss here, got stopped out here, and then we consolidated, and then 11:30-ish we push lower. We still don't take out that London low, so now we have triple O's. That my draw is still very strong to the downside. I waited out, wait. We take out that buy side right here on both ES and NQ. And I'm looking for any sign to take shorts, right? So this was the first and only really impulse lower with a breakup structure, so took that short. Again, you can see here I'm not really risking that much. This is like $130. How much is that? I can't really tell. How much was that? 130. Yeah, so basically nothing was the risk. So same idea, very strong conviction to the downside that price is going to go lower, but again, it just didn't really do it. So yeah, entered off that fair value gap right there, impulse breakup structure, and it didn't really pan out. So I never really had the chance to mitigate stop. Like we never really made a new low for me to move structure like I did with the previous trade. So this ended up being a full stop out, as you can see here, right? Anticipating this SMT, maybe thought that this would push price lower, and then just stopped out right there. Right, so that's gonna be it. It's fine. Nothing really too crazy. You have days like this that happen. No problem, as long as risk is maintained. So we're chilling. Right, so that's gonna be it. Monday was a break even. Today was a loss, losing day, which is also, it's not that big of a losing day, because again, I'm just really de-risking in these kind of conditions. It's not the best. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want free Discord, link for that is in the description. I post my analysis on NQ before every single session open, every single day for free in my Discord. Link for that is in the description. Also, if you're interested in private one-on-one mentorship, link for that is also in the description. All right, peace.